Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael. So excited to welcome you to week 25 of the 52-week options trading challenge. Before we get in the video, be sure to smash the like button. Really helps to support the channel. And if you haven't already taken advantage of it, MOOMOO is giving away up to 10 free stocks when you sign up using the referral link down below in the description. And if for some reason you still don't have WEBULL is giving away 6 free stocks as well with a deposit as small as a penny. So if you haven't already taken advantage of that, hey, be sure to check that out down below in the description. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Today's video is brought to you by TIBLIO, a complete crypto stock trading system with pro-level tools, real-time market data and news, as well as the fastest scanners in the market. TIBLIO provides traders with the leading tools and fastest data in the market so that you and I can find the best opportunities to maximize profit and build wealth. Today, when you sign up for TIBLIO Pro, you'll also get access to my Discord as well as the TIBLIO Active Trader Discord for free. TIBLIO Pro is only $34.95 each month, or get 2 months free by paying for the whole year upfront at an annual price of $349.50. Not sure if it's worth it? Sign up using my referral link down below in the description and get 7 days for only $1 with all the trades, the trading journal, the screeners, not to mention the Discord and everything else that TIBLIO has to offer. I can pretty much guarantee you'll love it. Now back to the video. What is good? It is Tuesday after market close, about 15 minutes after market close. As you can see, today I have this kind of like Hawaiian shirt. And that's because I really want to be on vacation right now. I really wish I was trading from the beach today. That's just how I'm feeling right now. Really want to be on the beach. It's really beautiful outside. Went out to my balcony, traded a little bit today. But with that being said, at the end of the last video, you saw I added $300 into the portfolio. And today I actually added a little bit more because I made some mistakes that I am going to go over later in the video. So yeah, as of right now, we have a total of like $678 that we have to pull out. So just want you to keep that in mind when we're looking at the portfolio today. And without further ado, let's hop into the portfolio. All right, so here we are in the handy dandy Robinhood. And as you can see, we are up $228.88 on the day, or 46.93% on the day. And actually, if we look at how the day went, we started at 487, and really without that extra money we added, that was about $100 or so dollars. And this morning, with the positions we're in, we actually took a dip down to 443, and yeah, we ended at 716. Now I'm sure you're wondering, like, what trades have I made over today and yesterday? So yeah, let's go to my history and see and take a look at our trades. All right, so it all began right here. We bought a 117 call on Amazon. I was way off on this one. Almost immediately when I got into it, it fell to zero. So as you can see, we paid $264. That was most of the $300 we put in. So yeah, we lost that right away. But so after I got into Amazon, we were still holding a put on the SPY. So I sold out of it for $18. We originally bought into that for $42 right here. So yeah, took a loss on that. And yeah, that puts us right here. Took the money I had, bought a put on the SQQQ, and it was a $46 put. But if we look at the SQQQ, we can see that it has gone nowhere near that. And from when I bought it, pretty much just gone up. So yeah, that was another bad trade right there. We ended up selling out of it yesterday for $28. Saw it wasn't going my way, so yeah, right there we took a $20 loss on that as well. And that's how we closed out yesterday. And then we get to today, and it kind of gets a little confusing because I started selling against my contracts, kind of creating debit spreads just so that I maintain like the day trades that I have. Whenever my contracts move enough for me to sell against another and still have profit or break even, I will do that only on Robinhood. On WEBULL or any other cash account, I would not have to do that. That's why I prefer to have a cash account. But yeah, getting back into it, to start the day off, I bought a put on Boeing, a 128 put, and we bought in for 148. And when it came time for us to sell, we sold out at 172. So took some nice profit on that. Nothing too crazy, but we took some profit on that. We were looking good. And I was really hesitant about this. Like I was this morning, I wanted to get in, but then I was like, oh, let's wait, let's be sure. I grabbed a put on the SPY, a 386 put, but SPY was actually up at like 393 this morning. So yeah, bought in for 307. And then what I actually did was I sold a SPY 385 put for $400. So right there off that trade, I locked in $93 profit, but I also have the difference between those contracts. And actually, if we go to look at the SPY, right now, those two contracts I have, the difference between the two of them, I still have $73 of value sitting between those. So if I'm able to close them out at this value tomorrow, or whenever I decide to get out of them, that is great. That's $73. Or if I let them expire, they will be worth $100. So that's cool as well. But typically on Robinhood, it doesn't even get to the point where it expires. Robinhood will usually sell them out for you. So I'll probably end up selling out of those myself. Then the next thing we did, I bought a call on the SPY. It was a 352. Then I noticed it looked like the SPY was going back down. So I actually sold out for 325, and I took a $27 loss. And then the last play we made today was we bought a put on that SQQQ for $267. We actually bought 3. So as you can see, we paid $89 for each, and down here it says 3. And then I put in an order to kind of sell the next strike against it. So we sold the 24.5 for the price that we bought in, and now it's kind of like we have some free debit spreads. So as you can see right now, that's about $78 of value. And yeah, it was essentially a free trade. So everything that we just went over equates to being up $228.88 on the day. And again, just so you can see right here, you can see my transfer history. So today we deposited $378, and last Friday we deposited $300. So right now that is $678 of this value right there pending. So don't really have much left, but for the moment, we will wait till we see some banger plays. Like that SPY trade today was a nice setup, and really when I got in TQQQ today, I was just kind of mirroring the SPY. So yeah, that's going to do it for Tuesday. I will catch you when I make another trade on this account. It's Thursday. The market's been open not even 2 hours now, but I've decided it's a good point in time to close out for the week. Not going to trade at all tomorrow because tomorrow is the Friday before the 4th of July. Hence, we got the USA shirt on. So yeah, I hope all of you have a happy 4th of July. And the reason that I'm not trading tomorrow, not because I'm doing anything special, but just because typically whenever the market is closed on a Monday, the trading volume on the Friday leading into it is usually very low, and stocks usually trade kind of funny. So I personally want no part in that. So I will not be trading tomorrow. So with that being said, let's hop in the handy dandy Robinhood and take a look. All right, so here we are in Robinhood, and as you can see, we are up $657 on the day and 121% on the day. On the week, we are up $410 from where we were Thursday last week. But with that being said, let's actually take a look at what's happened since Tuesday. So yeah, let's go to my history. All right, so here we have it. Yesterday I bought a Boeing 135 put that expires actually next week. I bought it and I paid $450 for it. Boeing was trading a little bit above 135 when I bought it, so I just kind of held on it knowing I had some time, and I was actually expecting Boeing to come down to 131. All right, so with that, Boeing actually proceeded to go up. I think it went up to about 139, and then I bought a 138 put towards the end of the day with about an hour left till close, and I bought a 138 put for $2.68 or $268. Then this morning when the market opened, now I still had the expectation that Boeing was going to about 131, but I actually sold out of this around low 134, high 133, and we sold out for 430. So right there, we took some profits on that. And then with the Boeing call that we bought into for 450, we were actually able to sell out of that for 600, locking in another $150 profit. And then I noticed the market was doing a reversal. It would have been really good if I was able to get in and play the Boeing reversal, because we sold like just like almost right at the bottom, around like 130, 160. Didn't exactly hit my 131 target, but it came close, and I'm glad I had that feeling like, hey, maybe I should get out of this because it's reverse. But yeah, we bought into 2 meta calls, and we paid $305 for each contract for a total of $610. And then we sold out of those for $390 each contract for a total of $780, right there, taking a total profit of, I believe, about $170. So with that being said, we did inject some money into the account this week, $678 to be exact. So now I'm going to take that out. And I'm not going to directly show you, but but after I do it, I'm going to show you the result. All right, and now that we just took the money out, the portfolio is sitting at $523.44, and we are up $657 on the day, 489% on the day, as well as 489% on the day from where we started. If we look at the week, we are up $410.63. And now with that being said, the real challenge for this has been my discipline, my greed. So I am going to do my best to stay disciplined, to keep myself from losing ground. But with that being said, this week went accordingly to plan, except for Monday when I lost all the money that I put into it. I hope that you find these videos helpful and that you're able to learn from all the mistakes that I'm making in these, because I sure am making a lot. But with that being said, I want to know, how did the stock market treat you this week? Hey, let me know down below in the comments. Also, I hope each and every one of you have a happy 4th of July. And if for some reason you made it this far and you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content and giveaways. And I almost forgot to say, thank you so much for watching, and peace.